Yes, sir. You see me? Lucy Design and Construction, back at it. Where they were plumbing for a washing machine and a dishwasher. You see me? So this is the final piping work. Piping infrastructure is completed. So we're ready to put in back cement and pull up back walls. You don't know the thing go. You see me? Yeah, man. Coley, big up yourself, you. Yeah, man. Alright, so see it there. After we finish that, we have to go drop in the line for the dishwasher and the washing machine. You get me? On 2 pilot light switch. And you know, plumbing and the electrical for the washroom completed. Alright, people, check we out. 24-hour service. Check we out there. Lucy Design and Construction. Alright. That's it there. Dishwasher and washing machine pipe. Just drop in.
Everything level?
Yeah, man.